I just bought a Sony ZV-1F.
Yo. What up, Harry? What up, Daddy? My daddy. You want Daddy? Harry. What up?
It's probably for you because alright, so this is how it looks. And I bought this at Best Buy. It's a memory card for the camera. If you're getting into the YouTube live, camera live, why people on TikTok I did this I won't speak until my type joins the live, so they're just there on their phone scrolling that, but I need to check if it's okay. So we're going to switch over to the big girl camera. This is the charging port, so you can stock all three. It comes with one battery, so one battery. Hi guys, welcome to my for your computer.
Go me, go me, go me, go me, go me, go me, go me.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. My name is D the Traveler. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and YouTube. I'm so happy you clicked on the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to do some unboxing of some stuff I bought for my Sony Z1F camera. I'm new to usually take videos on my phone, and I'm trying to get a big woman, big girl purchase, and to get a big girl camera. Big girl camera. So anyways, of course you have to protect your camera to ensure that it doesn't get damaged and stuff like that. So I bought some accessories for it, and I want to show you. If you are a vlog babe, if you're getting into the YouTube live, camera, and you know you have to set it up. One, you have to get like certain accessories for it, like a case to protect it, because like for me sometimes I drop stuff, right, and I wouldn't want to drop the camera, so I haven't used it yet because I've been scared that if I drop it I'll probably break it. So I went on Amazon, good old faithful Amazon, and I got me some accessories for my camera and a few for my phone. I have been videoing for my phone so far, so we're going to switch over to the big girl camera. Yeah, and I'm excited about that. I did an unboxing video and I will be posting that before this video, so I hope you get to see it. Just to show it one more time, we have the Sony digital camera ZV-1F. Pretty excited about it. And we have the camera, the main act. It comes with a casing like this, so you can easily take it off and hook it back on. We're not going to put it that yet. Let's open the first box. What do we have in the first box? So storage, right? I knew that I wanted some extra batteries for my camera, all right? Because it comes with one battery. It comes with one battery. So one battery. Mega cell battery. It comes with one battery. And I wanted some extra battery because I know I plan to do like long videos and stuff like that. So I went on Amazon and I saw like they have a box with 3. You can buy like, they have like 3 extra batteries, plus it comes with a charging unit on Amazon, and I'm like, why not? So this is one set. This is how it comes. This is the brand New Mova. And of course you open it like that, and inside, you know, there's a black box. This is the charging port, so you can stock all 3, and the battery from Sony actually works in it as well, so you can stock all 3. It has like the ports, the different type of ports you can use to charge it up. And then it's kind of cute because you come like individual batteries. Oh, like how the YouTubers do it. It come individual batteries, like 3 of them. 3. Let me show you how the inside. So you pull it out of the box, the mini box, and it comes into a case. That is dope. So you can protect your batteries when you travel around with them. Jesus, let me just moisturize my hands. My hand kind of greasy. Yeah. Ooh, open, and that's the battery right there. Flip it out, drop it into your. Let me try. My hand is slightly greasy, and you drop it into your camera. And I have 3 of those. So 1, 1, 2, 3, and it also comes with a cable cord, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, comes with a cable cord, so that's pretty cool to do the charging. And I'm going to put that one side. So put some of the boxes. Each of them. So you have 1. And I charged them up the other day. I'm not gonna tell no lie. When packages come, I'm gonna check what is inside the package. Yes, I want to do an unboxing on YouTube and stuff like that. but I need to check if it's okay. So I did charge them up before. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the third one makes 3. Is this one. I charged up these because they came early, but the set that I bought for myself, I haven't charged them yet. So there you go. All right, and of course the charging port, you easily plug it in. You plug it in here, bam, and then you have your own adapter. You plug it into your wall, you plug it into your computer, and it's charging. It goes red. There's a light blinker right up here at each port. It goes red when it's dead, and I think it goes yellow or green when it's fully charged. So that is amazing. All right, what else do we have? I'm gonna see. All right, I want to be a pizza box. Recycle me. That's sweet. I want to be a princess. Put me in a castle. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, we have this one, this purchase. Something I'm completely excited about. It's a 3-in-1 memory card reader. Where's my memory card? Where's my memory card? Where's my memory card? Let me see if it fits. So I bought this at Best Buy. It's a memory card for the camera, and we're going to put it in today. So we have the memory card. Bam. And we're going to try it in this as well. So this is how it looks. What's that like? Tap in, tap in. All right, so this is how it looks. And you have the different options. You can read a memory card. You can connect to your computer. You can connect to your iPad, your tablet. That is pretty awesome. You can connect to your iPhone, and I think Android as well. So that is cool. Let's take it out the package and see how it looks. Ooh, it's well secured in. Wait, they don't send any cable? What? Okay, that's a tad bit wild. There's no cable in it. Like, there's no okay, pull out this. That's some hand moisturize. That's one joint. This one, like Android. There's another joint. This joint is iPhone. Sorry. And the top joint for your computer. That's pretty dope. You know me. I have to evaluate everything. That's pretty cool. And then the bottom piece for your camera. It has the big one and the little one. Alright, let's try it out. But we can't believe. Oh, it doesn't need to charge. You just plug it in. That was slow, dude. Alright, so this is a memory card. Let's try to pop it open. I got a 128 gigabyte. Extreme Plus. How you open now? Random moment. But why people on TikTok? I did this. I won't speak until my type joins the live. So they're just there on their phone scrolling, looking around. What? So you're saying all the people on your live, not your type? You're being disrespectful for fun? Quite tight. I was just thinking about it. I wanted to do a TikTok video of all the stuff I got for my camera. Alright, I'll open this shortly. I have another memory card reader. Where is it? Let me see if I can use that instead, because I want to try it out. So I have my GoPro. I have my GoPro. And we're going to see if we can read the memory card real quick. So we got the SIM card. I want to do a TikTok video, so I'm not going to pull it out just yet. After I'll pull it out. Alright. What else did we get? We got, oh, this is for my phone. This is on my phone. But I do, from when I was in Japan, I really like the lanyard idea of attaching my phone to a lanyard. So I got like 3 sets of it. And I can attach it to my phone. and walk around with it around my neck. My phone is attached right now, so I can't really show you guys, but I will. This is how it looks. So you connect it to your phone, and then you have like a string around your neck. You can put it across. Sorry, put it across, and you easily access it. In Jamaica, it's kind of difficult. In Japan, it was safe, so no one would like grab my phone. But in Jamaica, it's a bit tricky. You don't want nobody grab your phone. I bought a case for my camera. Just a cheap little case I saw online. For my camera, let's see if it fits. Why is it so dusty? It's dusty. So it pops open, pops back in. But it's kind of dusty. But let's see if it fits. Okay. It doesn't really fit that well. Look at that. So this is how it looks, but it doesn't fit secure, like right here. I really don't like how it looks. Alright, it doesn't fit, like it's not smooth and nice. I am not really a fan. Like, this is how it looks. Nah. Alright, back to what I was saying, right? I don't like how it fits. It doesn't really and then like it doesn't really cover right here proper. I'm not feeling it at all. I don't know, probably I can get a better one at the store. Yeah, but that one, I'm not really feeling that one. And the case is the most important thing I want, you know. Yeah, we're not feeling the case. Alright, what else do we have? We have tempered glass for cameras. These are pretty cool. I want to put this on immediately. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a tempered glass for the camera, so I'm excited about that. Let me put that one. Inside, when you pop it open, inside of course it has the lanyard for the camera. That's good. You can wipe off your camera first, and then you have a couple options for the tempered glass to put on. That is dope. So let's try to put it on. Let me take out this tape real quick. Let's try and put on one of them. So we have the cleaning, and we take out one tempered glass. Put that down. Alright, and we have the lanyard, right? So we have the camera. We're going to clean it off first. So you put on, you use the wet wipes. No, touch that right there. So you put it on, you get a wet wipes first, and then you clean your camera off. Clean out the screen. You can also clean the front. Clean out the lens. No, I'm going to go with a dry one to clean the lens. Then you have the dry one. You go with a dry one, and you clean off your lens. Clean off the back camera, the back screen. So you clean off the screen. You can clean off your lens. Clean off your lens. Let me see if I can probably use the, and then use the dry one to clean it off. Clean off the lens. Alright, clean up the lens. I wonder if I have the small inside. I have like the small tempered glass for the lens. Do they? Nah, they don't. Alright, let's put it on. Let's put it on. So inside the bag you have back. This sticker helps remove the mask from the screen guard. Please peel off the mask with this sticker. So this is the back. And then you put it down on the camera. Let me test the size first. Yeah, it fits. So let me put it on. Wipe it off one more time. Woody! Alright, fine. I'll do it myself. Let me see if I can bend it down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So first I'm gonna do cover back up this and put it down like this, and then you're supposed to like this stick, but you have to align it just right. Oh, there's a bubble in it, but that's fine. There's a bubble. There's a small bubble. Oh, it's gone. Great. And then you just wipe it off real quick. Real smooth, real nice. And there, you have a glass cover. Bap, bap, covered. All right, nice. All right. At least one thing was a success today. Now let's see if we can attach this part. Oh, the rice kind of smell like it burnt. All right, so you have this part and you're supposed to push it through. Like you have to fish it out. I'm gonna see if I can put it from this side. We need like a clip to like fish it out. Hold on. We're back. We're going to try to use this and see if we can fish it through. There we go. Let's hold it tight now. How do we lock it in? Let's get it out. Ha! And I believe it's locked in. And we have our camera. Fantastic. Let's turn you guys back up. Fantastic. I did that. All right, the case is not looking like how we want it to look, but that's fine. So that was that. Put it back, please. A big box that we bought. Oh, we got lighting. We wanted to test if it's going to work, but then at the same time we wanted to wait to show what I got for my TikTok. So we're going to open that shortly. Got a big case for it, for the camera. So let's see if it fits. So it has a band, right? It's supposed to hold down the camera band, and then you can put, of course, your charging cables, your SD card, and so on, a few batteries on this side, and it closes nicely. All right. We'll load it up another day. But this is the case I bought for it. What else do we have for the camera? Oh, these are the other batteries that I bought. Yeah. Look out for my camera. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'm going to connect up a few stuff. I'm going to do the TikTok video short and then come back and do the final, like put it in the SD card, put it on the light and see how it looks. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, so we're back. We made the TikTok video real quick. And now we're going to try to fit up the SIM card. The memory card into the camera. Into the camera. Let me see if it fit that way. I think it fit that way. That way. We're trying to fit it into the camera. I think it fit that way. And then we're going to put in a battery that comes with the camera. And then I'm going to play the video to do the settings. Do some. Alright. Okay, I think I put this in the wrong way. I'll put it in this way. Nope. I'm putting in the battery the wrong way. Mighty God. There we go. Batteries are in. Lock. Alright. Let's try to put on the lights. So we have the light right here, right? Baby, take me out to dinner. All right, so let's see if we can. Oh, so you have the charging port. Let's see how it works. So, oh no, this needs to be charged. This is, oh, it gets brighter. Up. It's kind of bright-ish. Oh, it needs to be charged. Okay, so this is a shoe thing. So let's see if it can fit. Oh, it fits. That's so dope. It's a bit flimsy though, not going to lie. It's a bit loose. Bit loosey. That's cool. That's dope. Alright, turn you off. I'm going to charge you up. And we can easily slip it out of the shoe area. But it kind of loose. It's very loose. Oh, it can tighten. There we go. Alright, we're going to charge you up. First thing first, umbrellas. Alright, next is, I want you to take a random photo and then see if the, so this is going to get charged. I want to take a random photo and see if the memory card reader is working. So let's bring up my laptop. Trash. Let's get my laptop up and let's test. this bad boy out. Alright, so this is for the charging. So we got our laptop up, right? Now we want to take a random photo. So the camera is on. I'll take out the cover. Alright, we just want a random photo. Okay, let me see. Okay, there we go. We took a photo. I think. Let me see if I can take a photo. Look lean. Alright, me look very lean in the photo. Me look very lean in the photo. But what we're going to do is try to see if the card reader is working. So well, the card reader, right? Let's try. Oh, we'll take out the memory card. It's a bit foggy, so we're going to change that. But let's take out the memory card and see how it goes. Memory card out. Now we can put in the big one. Put in the big one. In. And let's try to read it to the computer. Oh, yeah. Alright. So let's try to read it to the computer now. We just want to test and ensure that all things are working as they should. I'm scanning it first. Scanning. No malware found. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh boy. A USB drive. Private. Okay. DCMI. Alright, let's see if the image works. What I want to do is in photos. The windproofing. The photo. It works. Let me see if we can tap in. Whoa. Just not. Let me see if I can turn it around. Yep, there it is. So the photo works. The memory card reader. Let me bring the light. The memory card reader. The memory card reader is working. Alright, that's cool. Shit. I never properly ejected. That's a bummer. Alright, let's take it out now. And it slides out. Let's put it back into the camera. Back in. Locked. Camera is good. Now we're going to watch some videos on how to set up the camera. And then we are good to go. Put back on the case.
If you have made it so far in the video, thank you so very much for watching. I love you so much. I will drop another video with my favorite camera settings. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Bye.
Like Justin Bieber. Go me, go me, go me, go me.